Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the Q card from January to April 2025 speaking topics. At IELTS with Pri and Aman, we discuss all the Q cards. To know more about our online classes, please contact on the number given on the screen. So the Q card is: describe a place you have been to and would like to recommend others to live there. But it is not your hometown. You should say where is it, what the place is like, when you visited there, who you went there with, and explain why you would recommend this place to others. So, there are 5 questions in this cue card. Okay, so let's begin. Growing up in big Indian cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore, I loved how each felt lively and unique. Unique means different. But today I would like to speak about the city of Toronto. Moreover, I visited Toronto alone in 2014 in search of educational opportunities. Educational opportunities could be you went there to see a college or a university. Toronto is Canada's biggest city and is located beside Lake Ontario. It's famous for its mix of modern skyscrapers like the CN Tower. Skyscrapers are big tall buildings and old charming neighborhoods like Kensington Market. Additionally, parks like High Park and Toronto Islands offer quiet spots to relax while the waterfront is always busy with events. Waterfront kind of like a place in front of a water body. However, the weather was colder than India and I missed home sometimes. But slowly I explored. Explored means traveled around the place. I explored the city, tried new foods, joined cultural events, and made friends from different countries. Furthermore, Toronto isn't just a business hub, it is a city of opportunities. It has top universities like the University of Toronto, safe neighborhoods, and good healthcare. Finally, staying there taught me that diversity makes a city stronger. Toronto showed me how people from different backgrounds can live together, share traditions, and create something amazing. It is a place where one can chase big dreams, try to find out in this case, while feeling at home, and I would definitely suggest it to others. Okay, so this was the cue card. Describe a place you have been to and would like to recommend to others to live there, but it is not your hometown. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.